The VEVOR 18.5-gallon compost tumbler is an excellent solution for urban gardeners, offering a compact design that fits perfectly in small spaces like balconies and patios. Its detachable sliding door provides easy access, allowing users to effortlessly add waste and retrieve compost while keeping pests out with a secure seal. Constructed from high-quality polypropylene materials and reinforced with sturdy steel, this compost bin is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring longevity. The innovative 360-degree tumbling feature eliminates the need for manual stirring, promoting efficient mixing and faster decomposition of waste into rich compost. Strategically placed vents enhance airflow within the tumbler, preventing clumping and ensuring even decomposition of materials for optimal compost quality. This composter is BPA-free and UV-resistant, making it an environmentally friendly choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while enjoying the benefits of nutrient-rich compost.